Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial. And from this tutorial onwards, we are going to start off with a project, that is the banking application. Okay. Now, before I get into the actual application, there is one more concept which I wanted to teach you all, and that is how to take input from the user. Okay. So we are going to need this in our project, so I'll explain it now. Now, for taking input from a user, we have a class called as scanner. So I'll create a scanner object first, equal to new scanner, and inside that I write system.in. Now, scanner class is not defined anywhere over here, so we'll have to import that class, right? So for importing, we have to click over here and say import. Okay, so it will be taken from the library. Let's click it. Yes. So this is the package Java. Inside that we have another package util, and inside that we have a scanner class. Okay, so we have imported that, right? So we have the scanner object ready. Now what I'll do is I'll first try to take integer values from the user, and for doing that I'll just write int a is equal to scanner dot next int. Okay, yes. So that's done, and I'll just print the value of this variable is equal to a. Okay, so let's run this program. And again, there's no message asking for like entering the number, so I'll just display a message over here so that we'll come to know that we have to enter a number. Okay, yes. Now let's run this, and yes, I'll enter a number over here and I press enter. So as you can see, we got the number over here. Okay, so this is the way of taking an integer value as a input from the user. Now next is I'll just take a character as input from the user, and for taking a character we have to do something like this. So char c is equal to scanner dot next. Okay, now this function, it will take an entire string as a input, right? But we don't want the entire string, we are interested only in the character, and for doing that we have something called as char at, and here we specify the index. Okay, and what this means is, for example, if we have a string abc, then this a will be at index 0, b will be at index 1, c will be at index 2, right? And we are interested only in the first character, and that is why I've mentioned char at 0, which means get me the first character, right? So that is the way of taking a single character as an input from the user. Okay, now I'll just change it to char, and again I'll print it. Equal to plus c. Okay, so let's run this. Enter character, I'll enter a, and yes, as you can see, the character is displayed on the screen. So yes guys, this is the way you take input from the user from the console. Okay, so that's it for now. From next tutorial onwards, we'll start off with the actual application. So see you in the next tutorial.